Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, rear step bumper, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, privacy glass, tires rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.